Hello and welcome everyone to another update video here on this channel about Bitcoin, Ethereum, QNT and also ADA. And I'll tell you all of the updates about my current ADA long position. Of course, I cashed out my short from yesterday in huge profits. Congratulations if you went with me in this trade. And I will tell you, of course, what I'm going to do next, because right before the video, I made my already massive positions even bigger. So of course, I will give you all of the updates about that in this video. So stick with me until the very end and enjoy this video. And we're starting here straight on an 88 15 minutes time frame because it's very time sensitive what I'm telling you right now in this video. In my opinion, we have already completed a 5-wave impulse even on the 15 minutes chart, and I've been following this impulse towards the upside perfectly. As you know, I was in my long positions and told you down there in my green target area, this is the time to buy. I think the low is in, and I think we are going to reach approximately the 36 US dollar cents in a 5-wave move, which we perfectly did. And now just watch this picture of my yesterday's video where I told you, you can see we were up there at the wave 1 top, and I told you I just opened a short position and we should come in a 3-wave move in an ABC structure between the 31 and the 32 US dollar cent level. And look at the price, that's actually perfectly where we are right now. You can see we perfectly made a 3-wave move, exactly as I told you in my yesterday's video. And the only question is, are we ready for the next bigger leg towards the upside, or are we heading one station lower? To find that out, we have to zoom in a little more, maybe on the 1 minute or 5 minute time frame. And to be honest, there are some different ways to count it. This can right now rather be a first wave already or a wave 4. So it doesn't really matter how this wave C is counted at all. When I'm zooming out here again on the 15 minutes time frame, pull out the trend-based fib extension levels from the A wave top to the A wave bottom to the B wave top, you can see we perfectly reached our price target of the 100 extension level. That's absolutely amazing. We found support there, but we didn't get an impulse from there yet. I intentionally say yet because I think it can evolve from here. It can develop, but even if we would get one more low, I would not flip bearish. I told my community that my liquidation price is below the 30 US dollar cent level, so it would be below this green resistance box or green resistance and support box. And to make that clear, I even lowered this support and resistance target area of this wave 2 a little bit for you. That it's practically symbolizing what my opinion is here. So summarized, we can get one more low or move up straight from here. It doesn't really matter in my opinion, because there I expect a bounce strongly. So however, it's no financial advice, it's just my opinion. But that's what I'm actually doing right now. That's why I'm in my ADA long position, because the next target for me would be the wave 3 target here, which is around about the 50 US dollar cent level. So it would be approximately an 80% pump. And of course, I want to trade it with my long position. Let's now go over to the Ethereum chart, and there you can see that we are following this wave count perfectly as well. Now I need to maybe adjust this target area a little bit, because the perfect target area is around about the 100 extension level of this AB setup, which would actually be the case at the 1590 level. So I think one more low here on the very small time frames on the minute chart can end this wave C here towards the downside. And this would practically mean, I want to zoom out here on the 1 hour time frame for you, that we have already seen a small A, B, C here, and we have already seen a first wave towards the upside as well. So what that actually is, in my opinion, is a very sharp and time-wise short wave 2 before we are heading up in a big wave 3. If we are not holding this support area, then we are most likely seeing another dip down. That would mean that this all was the A wave, this was the B wave, we're seeing a C wave, and then pump in this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 structure to a target area around about the 3K. Sorry, it's up there. So as you can see, I'm following the opportunity that a low in this region can be it for a second wave, and we are going up from there. The other option would be that we are heading down lower in this target area in a C wave and then moving up from there. But since we moved up so impulsively and corrected down so correctively, and we are nearly in the perfect target range. This would be right now a perfect long trading setup because of the nice risk-reward ratio. There is very less risk. My personal opinion is that stop losses can be set tight, or very tight in this trade, and the long upside potential is very, very huge in comparison to that. So that's why this can be an interesting trade. I'm sticking to my 88 trade anyways. So let's now have a look at the Bitcoin chart as well. And there you can see, I also told you that there is the option that an ABC is already in. But we moved up in this first wave already. We are now, same as for Ethereum, in this second wave towards the downside, or more exactly in the C wave of the wave 2. And we are preparing for the next huge pump in this third wave. In case that this support area would not hold, and I'll tell you exactly what support area I'm watching here. It is the level approximately at the $22,700. That's where I personally expect a bottom of the C wave, and that's practically where this correction can be finished. Actually, watch this level round about the $22,800. If we're getting a bounce there, in my opinion, the chance is very high that this can develop to this third wave. But as you can see, we didn't reach this target yet. If we would turn around from now, it would be a very, very unreliable wave pattern, with a very, very short C wave. And let's now have a look finally at the QNT chart. And as you can see, it's playing out absolutely perfectly. I told you up there that in my opinion, a wave 4 top can be in, and we are preparing for one last move towards the downside in this fifth wave. And I think that's already pretty it, or that's pretty much what I was waiting for. So practically this first impulse here towards the downside confirms my scenario a little bit more. It makes it a little bit more reliable. But I told you since my first analysis already back there that this is most likely B wave. We should come down in this target area and then down here in this lower target area between 80 and the $95 for QNT, because we need to come below this A wave low to make it possible that this whole setup is an A, B, C pattern. If you like this video, if this information was useful for you, smash up the like button, leave your thumbs up and a subscription down below the video, and also activate the small little bell so you will always get notified when I upload a new video here for you on this channel. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Thank you very much for your support, and I hope we will see each other in the next video here on this channel. Ciao, ciao.